Dear brothers and sisters, this is coming to you from the heart of Berkeley, California, a center of innovation, creativity, where the world spirit goes back and forth, the spirit of innovation, the spirit of overcoming every obstacle. And we want to dedicate this to the fact that we stand in awe of your forebears, the greatest generation. And I must say, I reflect from time to time on the majesty of those people who went through the Great Depression. Imagine 25% unemployment. And from that, in a twinkling of an eye, this country became the arsenal of democracy and supplied Britain and Russia and all of our allies with the war materials that they need, and also fed Great Britain too. This was an extraordinary thing in a twinkling, right? Just like that, from the depths of the Great Depression to a country that defeated radical evil in 4 years of warfare. This is an extraordinary achievement, not to be matched by any other country, without precedent in all of world history. I stand in awe of your forebears, and you will do better, and you will bring us through. I am utterly convinced, because the prospect before us is not very pleasant. It's either crisis and unemployment, or hyperinflation, or maybe perhaps both. That's the prospect before us. So we will see, but I am utterly confident in you, my dear brothers and sisters, in your resilience, in your strength, and in your determination. So let's get going, and let's start, as we have on so many occasions, with almond milk. We'll use this as a base of our pumpkin latte smoothie. So here we go with spring water. If you're concerned about your health these days, you do not drink tap water, please. So, and then, as you well know if you've been following these videos, we add a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter, made from almonds grown by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. They have 500 acres, and with their 70,000 trees, they produce over 1 million pounds of almonds each year. Magnificent people. We've been working with them for over 20 years. It is our privilege to support them. So here we go. How about a couple tablespoons, why not, of alive organic almond butter. And then to thicken things up a bit, we're going to add a bit of chia seeds. Chia seeds make everything wonderful and are a source of wondrous nutrition and strength. So here we go, and let's give that a blend. And as you see, it flashes into almond milk. It's that simple. Your own almond milk. Spring water, a heaping tablespoon of alive organic almond butter, put it in the blender, blend, you have almond milk. So much better for you than anything you can find on any store shelf. which has probably been there since the dawn of the Cenozoic. Who knows? Your own almond milk, a treasure. And now let's go ahead and sweeten things up with some medjool date pieces. These are our medjool dates. We're so very, very proud of them, grown by family farmers in Southern California. Medjool dates. So these are some pitted medjool dates, and we're going to add these to the almond milk. Our Living Tree Vermont maple syrup. Call of the Wild honey. And now, how about a banana? Organic, of course. And now, you've guessed it, this is a sugar pumpkin, and I've chopped it up, I've diced it, and we'll add some bit of pumpkin to it. And now how about some cacao powder? For chocolatey richness, and of course to heighten all the flavors, a sprinkling of our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And here we have it. Our chocolate pumpkin latte, a magnificent smoothie, and I drink to your vibrant good health, the vibrant good health of you, your family, and your friends. Let's go forward, brothers and sisters, in times such as these. Plant that community garden. Create that edible schoolyard. Your backyard, a bio-intensive garden. Your front yard, landscaped, an edible landscape featuring fruit trees. It is all possible. And we're here to give advice and to cheer you on. So let us go forward. Our privilege to work with you. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below, even give us a like, and maybe even comments. Your suggestions, criticisms, and directions. Point us in a direction. We want to hear from you. We have built our business upon suggestions. So let us go forward. I drink to your vibrant good health, my privilege to share. Thank you.